Hello traders, today is 15th of June, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex Trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the high time frame 4-hour analysis and with the live RD support. Means every time when we do analysis, we watch that analysis, and if the price perform according to those analyses, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary, and we also broadcast that information instantly at the analysis section. All the recording of live analysis available at the training section for all the members. As you can see that we analyze market in a high time frame 4 hour, and then we analyze in our intraday system to refine entry and exit. You can see it. And based on the current analysis today, as you can see, we had a beautiful 23 targets hit. And based on those analysis, I personally managed to bank 189 pips. One of my trade is still open. That's the dollar CAD short. I'm going to show you a couple of my trades just to explain to you that all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which broadcast here. So you can see in the morning, I had such a beautiful ride at the London morning session, and I had only 5 losing trades. And you can see this one, basically my stop loss hit, that is the spike. um, Technically it was a good trade. It went into around about 10 pips profit, but I was expecting that the price might going to come back. But as you can see, price spike it and hit my emergency stop loss, which is the 35 pips. And I had it pound Swiss franc. This was the long trade. It was a pretty straightforward breakout long trade, but I took a long trade, and as you can see, as soon as the price reversed, I closed my trades. But I managed to recover all the losses which I had it in dollar CAD. You can see my first target hit 35 pips, and my second target, which is basically I hit and 51 pips, and another one 23 pips, as you can see it, and another one still open. And let me explain to you why I opened too many trades in dollar CAD. As I said to you, we watch the market in 4 hour. Based on that, if you look at in dollar CAD, and I want to show you in the 4 hour charts, you can see the price respected the previous high and develop a double top. And as soon as the price break this wedge, and I said to my traders, look, we already had a few short trades before, and after that, basically price reverse and retest this level, and then we took another short. So let me explain to you those analysis. If you look at, already had a few banks profit, dollar CAD 3, 15, 14 pips, and all of them was in pullbacks. If I show you here, you can see this was the breakout, and after the pullback, so beautiful short trade. So then I did analysis here, as mentioned here, to look for the pullback short at this level. So based on the 4 hour, I explained to my trader, only look for long if the price is going to break this 200 EMA. So what happened here, price refused, and I took a short trade here, and I hold my trade because I was watching in 4 hour. We had a double top, and as soon as the price came back and banked such a beautiful pips. So that analysis is given here. So all of my trades, if you look at in the morning, I had it pound yen long trade, and this was the a breakout trade, and price nicely hit to the first target, which is, I'm just going to show you that analysis here. You can see this was the analysis just before London Open. We did a high time frame analysis, and let me show you in a 4 hour what happened. So this was the breakout, and as I mentioned, that as long as the momentum is bullish, we should be enjoying pullback long. And if I show you pound yen and show you 4 hour in the morning, you can see the price was at this level, and if you look at here, about to hit to the resistance, but we have a 200 EMA, as you can see it. And plus, if you look at 1 2, if you just strike here, You can see here price respected one previously. So I explained to my trader the price already developed a consolidation, and then I did analysis in the morning, which you can see here. This is the analysis, and this is the result. Basically, you can see a beautiful long trade. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. As you can see, a couple of losing, but end result is 189 pips. And one of my trade is still open. That is the short on dollar CAD. So this is the result. So let me show you to the analysis in more details. Okay, so as you can see, this was the consolidation breakout and then pull back, beautiful short trade. So basically, every time when the price break this pattern, we announce that breakout through live video commentary, or after that, any pullback opportunity raised, we broadcast that information through live video commentary. So I'm going to do quickly because you can see we had too many analysis and beautiful trades today. Breakout, pullback, beautiful short trade. And Kiwi dollar, you can see pretty straightforward consolidation, breakout, and pullback short trade. And then dollar Swiss franc, this was the flag pattern mentioned, and we had a beautiful another long trade this morning on dollar Swiss franc. And euro yen, pretty straightforward. We mentioned to look for the triangle pattern breakout, after that beautiful pullback long trade. Pound yen, as I mentioned you, well, I banked beautiful pips, beautiful long trade. And pound dollar, pretty straightforward, as mentioned on the analysis and through live video commentary, that look, we're looking at pullback short here. That's the first priority, but you can see we haven't seen any red candle here. And the price has broken the previous recent high. So as mentioned on the analysis, as mentioned on the live analysis, also the through live audio commentary, now we should be looking at pullback long, because we were watching in 4 hour. Basically, it has the same sort of resistance like we have seen in pound yen. So beautiful pullback long and beautiful breakout, another one, and nicely hit to the final target. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, we were looking at breakout, pullback, short opportunity. That's our first priority based on the momentum and trend. But as you can see, that the price hasn't developed any pullback short here. We haven't seen any very solid candle, red candle. We haven't seen any here. So now, based on this analysis, the price has broken this one, and after the breakout, price retest, that give us the confirmation momentum is bullish. Beautiful long trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. As you can see, I banked beautiful pips today on dollar CAD. Pound yen, breakout long trade. Euro yen, breakout long trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Pound yen, a beautiful pullback. As you can see, one of my traders was saying that the price gonna come back. I said, look, we need to trade what we see it. As you can see, the price nicely developed, pullback, beautiful pullback long trade. Euro USD consolidation breakout long trade. Kiwi dollar, beautiful pullback long trade. Dollar CAD, and this was the New York session analysis. As I mentioned here, the price developed a double top in 4 hour, beautiful pullback, and we had such a nice rally on dollar CAD, beautiful pips. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Dollar CAD, and this is one of my beautiful trades. I recover all of my few losses instantly. As you can see, we provide all that information through live ID commentary. As you can see, we consider this one as a major trend changing element in the 200 EMA. Beautiful short trades. Dollar Swiss franc, beautiful pullback short trades. Euro yen, amazing, beautiful pullback long. As I mentioned, all of my traders, as long as the momentum is bullish, beautiful, another pullback long trade. Euro USD, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis we had this morning, later breakout long trade, and after that, as always mentioned to my traders, after the breakout, any pullback which price develop a double bottom, which is a good sign, and as soon as the price broken previous high, beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see this was again consolidation breakout. Beautiful. As you can see, the price broke on this area, and as I mentioned to my trader, any pullback would consider high probability trade. As you can see, the price broken and respected the same level. Beautiful pullback long trade on Aussie dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and if you would like to make all these type of pips every single day, and if you would like to see all these analyses and the trades in real time, this is the best way to learn and develop a forex trading skills. If you are a professional trader, if you're looking in an edge, feel free to join our professional traders network. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.